you don't been up here before, when you get to this point, you be careful of the road surface. I don't know if you can see it from the camera at the minute, but I worked with a lad who used to do tarmacking, and he explained this type of finish to me. You know, you see the massive rocks, it's called like a hot roll or something. It's a different way of doing it. So what they do is they kind of pour a base, and then they tip the stone on and then roll it out, rather than it being ready, like mixed together, and then that's when you get your smoother black tarmac. So like, if you ever see this, just be aware that it's not going to be as good a surface. You see, like this one here, look, this is a normal tarmac road, and then it comes back to this like stuff, and it's not very good. It's just got a little girl to be quiet, and I'm going to scare the crap out of her. Being nice, like pulling away from those guys. Oh. Another giant rain cloud. A lot of rain. I'm gonna be fucking careful here. So it's fucking drain covers. Ugh. If someone wants to give me a job in California, that would be great. I'm gonna have to deal with this fucking weather all the time. Oh dear. Every time I come out on this, it rains. People are going to start calling me calm biker. Oh, I don't fucking believe this. The fucking piss take. Fucking raining all the time. No waterproofs. I left the waterproof cover for the tank bag at home.